Remove the back of the packaging. Use this as a template to mark the fixing hole for the remote control unit. Please mount the unit at least 1.6 metres up from the ground. Please use the template to drill through. Now attach the remote control unit to the wall. If you have chosen the photo safety system, this will be pre-wired. If you have chosen the LightGrid safety system, please unpack it. There is a receiving unit, RX, which should be mounted on the side nearest the control unit, and a transmitting TX unit that should be mounted on the opposite side. Leave a 10mm gap underneath the LightGrid before attaching each LightGrid to the back of the tracks with the self-tapping screws provided. To wire the motor to the control panel, please insert the green and yellow wire to port E, brown to L1, black to L2 and blue to N3. Please note that if your motor is left hand mounted, the black will be at L1 and the brown will be to L2. To commission the motor, turn on dip switch 3 and then plug in the remote control unit. The LED on the control unit will be on. Test the functionality of the LightGrid or photocell by placing your hand in front of it to break the safety beam. The LED will then flash to show it is working. Then press the button on the motor and we'll simulate the opening direction. Press the button again and the motor will simulate the closing of the door. Let the motor continue to run and it will stop automatically. The bottom limit of the motor has now been reached